Good evening, I'm Gretchen Frazee. Indiana's population is growing, but at a rate below the national average. According to population estimates the U.S. Census Bureau released this week, Indiana's population grew by an estimated 33,000 from 2012 to 2013. That's a growth rate of about 0.5%, and that compares to the national average of about 0.7%. But Indiana's population growth is exceeding the average of 0.33% in the Midwest region. A rule that takes effect today could mean the end of the automatic gratuity. As WTIU's Jimmy Jenkins reports, the IRS is now classifying the tip as taxable income the restaurant must report.
Historically, the IRS considered an automatic gratuity a tip, and it was up to the server to report the income. The new rule classifies the gratuity as a service charge that is subject to a payroll and sales tax. This means if restaurants continue to impose the fee, guests will have to pay taxes on the gratuity where before they did not. Initially imposed in 2012, the IRS pushed back the implementation to give business owners time to comply. Automatic gratuities are commonplace in larger chain restaurants where they are assessed to large parties, but the new rule has prompted some of the big names to drop the practice. At Lenny's Brew Pub in Bloomington, it's their policy to leave tipping up to the customer.
We've never practiced automatic gratuity. We kind of feel like gratuity ought to be up to the guests to determine the amount based on quality of service generally.
Fox says his employees report their tips daily, and he declares their income in a monthly report for tax filing purposes. For WTIU News, I'm Jimmy Jenkins.
Here's a look at the weather. Tonight the low is 24 degrees with 2 inches of snow expected overnight. Highs this week in the 20s and 30s with temperatures dropping to a chilly -4 on Monday.